Hi, I'm Cindy, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I contour using a KEVYN AUCOIN light. The color is good for oriental skin tone, however it's very dusty. The powder is not pressed hard, so I just dab some and then tap it off, and then starting from here, brush it in because the high point of my cheekbones is here, so I want to move it in because you can see this side. I want to bring it in, so I'm going to just joining it with my blusher, and then under the cheekbone as well, the side. And here, like J-Lo says, the light bulb. She calls it the light bulb, which is true because when we take a photo, we push the cheek. Look, just here's the light bulb. So have a little bit of contour powder over there. So just blend. Also, I'm using this brush is from Dior. I'm not sure what the size is, but I just find this one is good for my big face. Can you see the difference? My right cheek is being brought in. So now I'm going to do the other side. Again, same process, bring it in. See, it's the magic. And then just blend it under the jawline as well. By blending it, make it look natural and not like you have beard. So once I finish the side of my face, I usually contour around the hairline as well because, you know, look, my big span forehead. So I usually just do the corners, just blending it into the hairline. Make it as close as possible. Also can do this just with liquid contourer like the Charlotte Tilbury contouring wand. Use that, but like this one is a good one. Or just use a darker foundation would do the same trick, but sometimes I just prefer powder. I find powder is very easy to work with. And then just blend it in, blend it down a little bit to make sure that you do not look like you're wearing a cap, dark cap there. But so yeah, just blend it in. Blend. Also can use the same contour powder to do the shadow around the nose as well, contour around the nose. I don't have a European nose, clearly. So, but we want to make a little bit more, give more definition, give a little bit more profile. So usually this is normally what I do. Because my nose is quite short, so I want to bring it down, therefore I usually make the tip of my nose lower, because some people prefer it higher, but if I do it higher, I make my nose look even shorter, so I want to elongate it by bringing it down, and then just bring it into the socket, blending into the eyebrow. Give a little bit of a darker socket to make it look like have a better profile. That's the contouring.